Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a cute set. I was inspired by some stickers I got, so I'm going to go ahead and jump right in. I'm using these nail tips that I got off of AliExpress. I'll be sure to link everything down below. Just going to size those up. Once I get them sized up, I'm going to apply them. And to apply them, I'm going to be using my new SwaggyRique 4-in-1 gel. It is a base coat, slip solution, nail glue, and a rhinestone glue. So we're gonna go ahead and get those applied. And I also did foul around the cuticle area just to make it a little bit more thin and a little bit more flush once I put them. This SwaggyRique 4-in-1, it had a very thick consistency, which I like. And I had no trouble getting them applied. And curing them, they felt very sturdy once I had them on, so yeah. Okay, now I have them all applied. I am going to go ahead and foul that shine off of them. And then I'm going to go in with my base coat, which I am going to use the SwaggyRique since it's a 4-in-1. I'm going to go ahead and use that as my base coat, apply that to all the nails, and then cure for 60 seconds. And then I'll go right in and start polishing my nails. And these are how they are looking. Now I'm gonna go in with that base coat and apply that, and then I'm gonna go right in with my polish. I'm using these gel pots that I got off of Amazon. I will link everything down below. So I'm gonna go in with that, and I'm gonna just sit back and let you guys watch. I have all my base coat applied. I'm gonna go in with that gel pot, and I'm going to polish the thumb, the pointer, and the pinky white. And then I'm gonna do nail art on the ring and the middle finger. I did get out of frame just a little bit, trying to see exactly how I wanted to do this and just to make sure that I was getting it applied nice and smooth. So yes, you will see me go in and do my pointer, and then I'm going to do my pinky off camera, and then I will be back. So I wanted to create the marble look on my middle finger. So I'm going to go in with some top coat. I'm also going to mix that with white. And I'm just going to go ahead and marble that to the best of my ability. I know it's not the standard method or probably the method everybody uses, but it's what worked for me. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I did have to go in and wipe some off and then add some more just to get it right and exactly how I want it. So that's just going to be the whole process that you guys are going to see right here. Once I get those applied, this is how they're looking before I add the rhinestones. I did do that off camera, so I will show you how they look after. So here's how they're looking. And now I'm just gonna go in with some cuticle oil, top coat them, and that will pretty much be all for this set. Here is the finished look. I absolutely love these nails. I love how they turned out. I love the card stickers. I really love my ombre and my marble nail for my first try. They came out pretty good. I would appreciate if you guys will leave me a thumbs up, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. I would love to chat with you guys and just let me know what you guys overall think of this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next one.